Lathe machine is one of the most important machine tools in metalworking industry. It also known as a mother or father machine tool. It was invented by David Wilkinson. In lathe machine have a lot of parts. Okay, I will show you the first part of the lathe machine. The first part of lathe machine is a bed. The bed has a function is a main body of the lathe which provides support to all parts of the machine. The bed is heavy, which is mounted on the working part of the lathe machine. Second is head stop. The heavy spindle shaft and support bearings, speed shift lever and gear drive. The headstock spindle is hollow cylinder shaft that provides a drive from the motor to work holding device. The headstock is hidden in a box and spindle is hidden in gear cover. C. Tailstock. The main function of the tailstock to support the bed. Tailstock is situated in bed. It can be offset for taper turning operation. Lathe screw. It used to transmit power to carried through gear and cloth arrangement in the carried apron. This is chuck. The function is hold the material in lathe machine.
Cross slide and compound slide. Cross slide. Cross slide is a dovetail slide the assemblies on the top of the saddles and move at a right angle to the vise. And compound slide. Compound slide supports the tool post and cutting tool in its various position, and it is above the cross slide, and it can be rotated to set the tool to advance cutting of workpiece. Carriage support cross slide compound rest and tool post, and it moves along the vise under manual or power feed. It compresses the saddle casting which rides across the top of the vise and the apron. Compound slide permits angular tool movement for taper turning.
Apron. It situated on the carriage. It consists of all controlling and moving mechanism of carriage.
L. Dead center. A dead center may be used to support the workpiece at either the fixed or rotating end of the machine. Dead center are typically fully hardened to prevent damage the important mating surface of the taper and to prevent the 60-degree angle of the nose. Life center. Life center is mounting on bearing and rotates with the work. Life center are using to hold or support a workpiece.
Advantage. It is using for mass production of product. It is using for manufacturing cylindrical shapes like steel and plastic. This advantage, it is very difficult to program in machine language corruption, poor service and racial issues.
Of lathe
machine. First, turning. Turning is an operation in which the diameter of the work piece is removed as shown in the above table. Second, facing. Facing an operation in which the length of the work piece reduced as shown in the table. The turning tool is useful. A fit. The red edge fits the cutting table, crossing the work piece in the diameter perpendicular to the work piece axis, so called as fit.